chemical plants.
Example for those industries.
Okay, I welcome another speaker from the proposer side.
Thank you, the high table and the mass of floor. Good evening, everybody. My name is Joyce Deogratias, a Form 2 student. I'm here to agree with the motion which says that is technology going to save the world or kill it? By the following points. The first point is that technology has helped the development of education sector in diverse ways. We can take an example. Nowadays, we learn practically, especially the science subjects, which are biology, chemistry, and physics, rather than the past when people used to learn in theories. Also, technology has helped the education sector since people nowadays can learn in far distance. For instance, we are here in Tanzania and we are learning somewhere. For instance, we are here in Tanzania and we are learning in a certain university outside the country. You can use online learning, whereby you are here in Tanzania, you can learn in that university, and after you have finished, you submit your work. Also, my second point is that technology has helped the police to get vivid evidence about different crimes in the society. Technology has facilitated this to the police in different ways also. For example, technology has brought us CCTV cameras, which are put in different buildings. Even you can decide at your home to have a CCTV camera. This will help the police station in case a crime has happened. Also, technology has brought fingerprints. This is advanced technology. A police will not have hard work to determine the one who has done a crime in that place. Also, there is recorders. Every police must have this helps to get information from another police when they are investigating something. These recorders have different frequencies. From the frequencies which are using in our phones or even the radios. This has improved so much the investigations done by the police, hence has helped them to get vivid evidence. Thank you.
Any opposer side with a point of interaction? You're welcome, Jimmy.
Thank you, Chairperson. I'm Jimmy Jonathan, a Form 4 student from St. Alberta Secondary School. I have a question. You said that technology has helped us to do practicals, but also those practicals which you are saying about, they have been wrote by the people's past, is it? So when you are talking about the coming technology, you speak of what will be done for education matters to be forward. Thank you.
Thank you, the chairperson. I can say this. You have said that also in the past there were practicals. But remember that there's modifications. Modifications are done to make those practicals more better, and now we are using them. So don't think that what we are doing now was not modified. It has been modified for the better future to be used. Thank you.
Are the modification for now, or are you talking the modification for the coming technology? Is it this technology or the coming technology you are talking about?
I can say that. Additional minute, please. Thank you. I can answer you like that, like this. The modification which I'm talking about are for the coming technology. That's why the motion states that is technology going to save the world or kill it. So when I say about modification, are for the future betterment of people. Thank you.
Not your time's not over. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The modification done with your technology, it goes to kill us, since the modifications of the chemicals which you use currently, they are so harmful. So the experiment we are going to conduct currently in our laboratories may lead to accidents and various effects, which may lead to some people getting permanent disability or even death. Thank you.
Thank you, the chairperson. Thank you. You have talked about the laboratory, the practicals we are doing in our laboratories. Remember, a laboratory is just a room. Everything we are doing is inside the room. How comes it affects other people outside? Remember, also in the laboratory there are rules that should be followed. So before the effectors come outside, they must be controlled inside the laboratories. Thank you.
Thank you for that. I'll welcome another speaker from the opposite side.
Thank you, main table, and the members of the floor. Good afternoon. My name is Mikdali Sylvester Mweza. I am Form 2 student from St. Bada Secondary School. Today, I'm going to oppose the motion when it states that is the technology going to save the West or to kill it, by the following point. The way technology is going, there will be the creation of very strong weapons. When I'm talking the weapons which are being created by the technology are the weapons which they can be used in the wars. A good example is the war of Ukraine and Russia. You have seen the effect of the war of Ukraine and Russia. One of the effects is the deaths of people. Many of peoples died in the war. Another effect of that war, Ukraine war, is destruction of infrastructures. As you see, then in Ukraine now, they don't have even the place where they can sleep because all the infrastructures which we are using, they have been destroyed. Another point is global warming. The way technology is going, I think in industries they use technology in order to run their machines. Those machines they create the smoke from the industry. They go to destruct ozone layer. After destruction of ozone layer, the direct sun rays from the sun pass to the earth's surface and cause skin cancer to the peoples. Thank you.
Welcome a speaker from the proposed side of the opposing motion, Irene Perfect.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. My name is Irene Perfect. I'm going to oppose the point that was stated by McDaddy. When you say of global warming, nowadays as we are advancing our technology, we have created some CFC gas-free refrigerators, which once used to produce those chlorofluorocarbons, which nowadays are fitted with the ones which are not producing them. Plus, when you talk about global warming, nowadays in the developed countries, they use the fuel used in cars, which once used to produce harmful gases that affected the ozone layer, was petrol. But now they use ethanol, which burns more cleanly than petrol.
Additional minutes, please. You have said those instruments which are used in the industry are used for, I know those instruments are very costly. they used it by the develop they used it by the rich countries. But in Tanzania, Tanzania is a poor country. We can't use those instruments in our industries because they are very costly.
I'm talking about the coming years. As the years go by, as the time passes, we can afford. As how we are advancing our income right now, we can still, in the coming years, we can afford those things that can prevent global warming. Plus, right now, even if you call us poor, Tanzanians, we aren't poor. Now we can afford to buy those refrigerators which are CFC gas-free.
How sure you are we are very rich in buying those instruments which you mentioned?
I'm sure because I believe in my country. And plus, when you go to the supermarkets or anywheres or big shopping malls, you can see that every refrigerator is written CFC.
We are talking about industry, we're not talking about supermarkets.
Where are the products going to be sold?
In the market, worldwide market.
Thank you for that. I'll welcome another speaker from the proposer side.
Thank you, High Table. Thank you, the member of the floor and the audience. Good afternoon. My name is Vanessa Chariga, a Form 4 student. I'm going to propose the motion which states that technology is going to save the world rather than killing it.